Welcome to your channel ABCD Education. That is, anybody can download education. Today we are discussing about the difference between resistance and reactance grounding. Now, हमारे पास पावर सिस्टम में दो तरह की मशीन है, सिंक्रोनस मशीन है, सिंक्रोनस जनरेटर, सिंक्रोनस मोटर। कहाँ पर ये रेजिस्टेंस ग्राउंडिंग यूज लेती जाती है और कहाँ पर रिएक्टेंस ग्राउंडिंग ली जाती है, ये दोनों देखेंगे अपन पावर सिस्टम के रेफरेंस में। ठीक है। नाउ हमारी नीड क्या है? हमारी नीड ये है कि कभी भी कोई भी सिस्टम में फॉल्ट आता है या डिस्टर्बेंस आता है तो सिस्टम कोलैप्स नहीं करना चाहिए, सिस्टम वहीं का वहीं बना रहना चाहिए, बंद नहीं होना चाहिए। जैसे सिंक्रोनस जनरेटर हुआ, फॉल्ट की कंडीशन में बंद नहीं होना चाहिए। बंद हो जाएगा तो उसमें वापस चालू करने में बहुत ज़्यादा लागत आएगी, तो इसको हमेशा चालू रहना चाहिए इन केस ऑफ डिस्टर्बेंस, इन केस ऑफ फॉल्ट। ओके। नाउ सिंक्रोनस जनरेटर। सिंक्रोनस जनरेटर में पावर इनपुट जो होता है मैकेनिकल होता है ड्यूरिंग फॉल्ट, जब फॉल्ट, और पावर आउटपुट इज इलेक्ट्रिकल आउटपुट होता है। ठीक है। इन ड्यूरिंग फॉल्ट कंडीशन द पावर आउटपुट बिकम्स जीरो एंड द एक्सेलरेशन पावर, that is electrical power output, is zero. Due to this acceleration power is increases. Due to this acceleration is increases. By increasing the acceleration of synchronous generator, the speed of the synchronous generator is also increases, by which can damage the synchronous generator structure. Okay. If the speed is increases, then the frequency is also increases. Due to this, system may collapse. Okay. Now what to do? Now providing the resistance grounding. By providing the resistance grounding in synchronous generator in during fault condition, the electrical power output is not equal to zero because some power is losses in the resistance. Due to this, the mechanical power input minus electrical power output is not much higher. It means acceleration power is reduced but not is reduced from the previous. Okay, so now the acceleration is not increases in large amount. As the result, the speed increases in a small amount. Due to this, which cannot damage the structure of synchronous generator. If the speed is increases in a small amount, then the frequency is also increases in small amount, so the system becomes stable. Okay, that's why the resistance grounding is provided in case of synchronous generator. Now in case of synchronous motor, in during fault condition power input becomes zero. Okay, hence synchronous motor behaves like a generator. When the power input is zero, then the acceleration of the synchronous motor is very high, it is negative. Due to this, which means matlab deceleration of the synchronous motor, speed is decreases, which can shut down the monitoring of power system, because synchronous motor is used in monitoring of the power system at the end of the transmission line. If the speed is decreases, it means frequency is also decreases, which can collapse the system. So what to do? Now providing the resistance grounding. By providing the resistance grounding in case of synchronous motor in during fault condition, the power input is not zero. Why? Because the stored kinetic energy in during fault condition is converted into the electrical energy which is stored in the reactance in during fault condition. So deceleration is occur, but electrical power input is reduces and the total acceleration power becomes negative. So deceleration occur, but not in large amount. Due to this, speed is decreases, which cannot damage the structure of synchronous motor. Speed is decreases, frequency is also decreases. So the speed is decreases in small amount, then the frequency is also decreases in a small amount, which cannot collapse the system. The system becomes stable. That's why reactance grounding is provided in case of synchronous motor. So resistance grounding is used in synchronous generator and reactance grounding is used in case of synchronous motor. This is the end of our video. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel, and if you have any, then meet in comment box. And thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.